Whether you are young and just embarking on your career or nearing the end of it, securing a stable monthly retirement income has become increasingly important. After all, many of us will experience a material drop in income once we retire, but our living expenses will only increase. With these things in mind, adding an annuity to your financial portfolio may provide the stable foundation you're looking for. Outliving your retirement savings is a very common fear. The question of, will I have enough saved to pay my bills and maintain my lifestyle, comes to mind. While you can't predict costly changes to your health, market failures, the impacts of inflation, or climbing living costs that erode your purchasing power, you can plan for them. Adding an immediate annuity to your plan means that you won't have to rely solely on what you've set aside. When you purchase an immediate annuity, the issuer is obligated to send you regular payments for an extended period of time, maybe even the rest of your life. Even if you're not working, unhealthy, and sitting in the middle of another 2020, you can still be receiving a steady income via your annuities institution, further protecting everything you've worked so hard to save. Smart retirement planning isn't just about accumulating savings. It's about having a steady flow of income as a foundation that can soften market fluctuations, cover unforeseen expenses, and maintain the costs of comfortable living. You should engage in detailed discussions with your financial advisor when considering guaranteed monthly income opportunities. Here are some of the big questions to ask. How much money per month will I need? What if my expected income is less than I need? How can annuities protect me from market volatility? How do I know that these options are safe? By engaging in thorough discussions with your financial advisor and exploring an array of income options, you can build a retirement plan that gives you stability and peace of mind. After all, you've worked your entire life for this. You should enjoy it. If you have more questions about annuities, reach out to us and we'll connect you with a friendly agent. And as always, if you're interested in empowering yourself and taking control of your situation, subscribe to our channel to put more health, life, and financial tips on your radar. Thanks, everyone.